Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we'll learn and solve simple equation exercise fourth chapter of class 7th. Chapter name is simple equation exercise 4.1 questions 1 and 2 of NCERT mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn questions 1 and 2 of exercise 4.1 of chapter equation. Now we will solve question number 1, and question number 1 is given equation and value of the equation says whether the equation is satisfied or not. First bit is x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. To verify whether the equation is satisfied or not, we have to substitute the value of the variable x in the given equation. If the left hand side of the equation equals with the right hand side, then the equation is satisfied, otherwise the equation is not satisfied. Here we have given the value of x is 3. So substitute the value of x equal to 3 in the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation x plus 3 equal to 0, and left hand side of this equation is x plus 3 and right hand side is 0. We have to substitute the value of x is 3 in the left hand side. 3 plus 3 is 6, and we check the value of left hand side is equal to 0 or not. Here we get 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and 6 is not equal to 0. 0, that is in right hand side. So the value of x equal to 3 is not satisfied for the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3 is not satisfied with the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we solve question number second bit x plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to 0. We have given the value of x is 0, and we have to substitute the value of x, that is 0, in the equation x plus 3. Left hand side of the equation x plus 3 equal to 0 is x plus 3. So substitute the value of x equal to 0 in the equation x plus 3. In left hand side x plus 3 equal to 0, value of x is 0, 0 plus 3 equal to 3, and 3 is not equal to 0, that is in right hand side. So value of x, that is x equal to 0, value of x equal to 0 is not satisfied for the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. Third bit is x plus 3 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 3. We have to substitute the value of x, that is 3, in the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. Left hand side is x plus 3. We have to substitute value of x is minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. 0, that is equal to right hand side. So value of x equal to minus 3 is satisfied with the equation x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we solve question number fourth bit x minus 7 equal to 1 and x equal to 7. We have to substitute the value of x, that is 7, in the equation x minus 7 equal to 1. In the left hand side x minus 7, we substitute the value of x equal to 7, that is 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 0 is not equal to 1, that is in right hand side. So value of x equal to 7 is not satisfied for the equation x minus 7 equal to 1. X equal to 7 is not satisfied. Now question number 5th bit, x minus 7 equal to 1, x equal to 1. We substitute the value of x equal to 8 in the equation of the left hand side. Left hand side of the equation x minus 7 equal to 1. Left hand side is x minus 7 and right hand side is 1. We have to check the value of x equal to 8 in the equation is satisfied or not. So substitute the value of x equal to 8 in the equation x minus 7. Left hand side is x minus 7 and value of x, we substitute the value of x, that is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1, that is in right hand side. So value of x equal to 8 is satisfied with the equation x minus 7 equal to 1. To satisfy the equation, just substitute the value of that variable in the left hand side, and left hand side is equal to right hand side or not, just check that. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is check whether the value of the given in brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. First bit is n plus 5 equal to 19 and value of n is 1, n equal to 1. We have to substitute the value of n, that is 1, in the equation n plus 5 equal to 19. That is left hand side is n plus 5, so substitute the value of the variable, that is n equal to 1. So n plus 1, n plus 5 becomes, n is 1, 1 plus 5 equal to 6, and 6 not equal to 19, that is for right hand side. 19 is right hand side, so 6, the value of n plus 5 is 6 and 6 not equal to 19 equal to right hand side. So the value of n equal to 1 is not a solution, value of n equal to 1 is not a solution for the equation n plus 5 equal to 19. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Now we solve question number second bit B. 7n plus 5 equal to 19. This is the equation and value of n is given minus 2. N equal to minus 2. We have to check the value of n equal to minus 2 is a solution for this equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19 or not. Substituting the value of n, that is minus 2, in the equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19, we get left hand side is 7n plus 5 and right hand side is 19. Left hand side is 7n plus 5, that is value of n is minus 2. 7 multiplied with minus 2 plus 5. 7 multiplied with minus 2 is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 5 is minus 9. Minus 9 not equal to 19. So the value of n equal to minus 2 is not a solution for the equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Now we solve question number third bit C. 7n plus 5 equal to 19, n equal to 2. We substitute the value of n, that is 2, in the equation 7n plus 5 equal to 2. 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Left hand side is 7n plus 5 and right hand side is 19. If we substitute the value of n equal to 2 in the left hand side, 7n plus 5, and we check this value of this equation 7n plus 5 is equal to 19 or not. If it is equal to 19, then the value of n equal to 2 is a solution for this equation, and if it is not equal to 19, that is not equal to right hand side, then the value of n is not a solution for this equation. So substituting n equal to 2 in the equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19, we get left hand side is n 7n plus 5, substitute the value of n, that is 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 plus 5. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, that is equal to right hand side. So n equal to 2 is a solution for the equation 7n plus 5, and value of n equal to 2 is a solution for the equation 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Now we solve question number 4th bit D. D is 4p minus 3 equal to 13. This is the equation, and value of p is 1. Left hand side is 4p minus 3 and right hand side is 13. We have to substitute the value of p equal to 1 in the left hand side of this equation 4p minus 3, and the value of this equation 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 or not. We have to check that value of this equation 4p minus 3, and if it is equal to 13 in the right hand side, then the value of p equal to 1 is a solution for this equation 4p minus 3 equal to 13. And if it is not equal to 13, that is right hand side, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, value of left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and then the value of p is not a solution for this equation. So substitute the value of p equal to 1 in the equation of the in the equation 4p minus 3 equal to 13. We get left hand side is 4p minus 3. So substitute the value of the variable p, that is 1. Then 4p minus 3 becomes 4 multiplied with 1 minus 3. 4 multiplied with 1 minus 3 is 4 minus 3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1, and 1 not equal to 13 for the right hand side. So value of p equal to 1 is not a solution for the equation 4p minus 3 equal to 13. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube